What is up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today I got something very special. Before I show you, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Also turn the notification bell on. That way you don't miss any future content. And if you want to support the channel, you know there's a link down in the description. And other than that, let me show you what I got. So I was on, I got a notification from Facebook Marketplace that one of my contacts had posted something for sale. And when I opened it up, I saw something that caught my eye. And when I opened it up and looked at it, this is what it was. A blue swing Axum, but not just any blue swing Axum. More specifically, my old Axum. The guy was selling the bike because he actually upgraded his this bike. He bought another bike. He actually got a Marlin 8. So I did reach out to him and ask him, hey, what's up, man? Because he had it for a really nice price, and I asked him for it, and he even brought it to my house. Like, okay, I'll sell it to you. Meanwhile, can you take a look at my bike? Because he just wanted to make sure that his bike was working properly and everything. And he brought a really nice blue and silver Marlin 8 medium large frame, and it came with the SRAM group set. He had hydraulic brakes and everything like that. He had a RockShox Judy 100mm travel. Really nice setup for the bike. And he actually bought it to replace the swing Axum, which as a stock form, yes, the Marlin is a little bit better than this one, but if could have probably made a few upgrades to this one and made it even better than the Marlin. But to everybody, whatever they like is good for everybody, you know, for each one separately. Now, he did mention that he was actually planning to buy a dual suspension. I think it was a Scott that he showed me. So hopefully, he said he was gonna try to sell that Marlin 8. He actually bought it as on a bike shop, and he was gonna try to sell it so that he can buy that Marlin. I mean, not Marlin, the Scott. So hopefully, he's getting into the sport. So I kind of feel good that I actually got him to start mountain biking on a really nice trail bike, and now he's progressing and getting better and better. Actually, he has a channel. He's barely starting a channel. I don't know the name of the channel yet, but I will leave a link for you to his channel down in the description. Make sure you check him out. He's a really nice dude, and he's actually doing some jumps. That's why he wanted to make sure that his Marlin is properly set up, so he's hitting some jumps over here on the Houston local trails. So check him out, give him his support. He's a good guy, and yeah. So I'm glad that I have my old baby back. So I'm probably gonna put in a few upgrades to this one. I still have a Bucklos fork in there. It already had the Fawn headset in there, so all I gotta do is throw in a fork in there. It still has the handlebar, so I still have my original handlebar that I had on this one with the MTV Alex sticker in there. So I think I'll probably just put it over here, and the grips, and not too much on that. Just make sure it's well maintained, grease everything up, and it should be ready to go. In that case, I will take those stickers off just like I did on the black Axum. And talking about the black Axum, that thing is hanging right here, so I might end up selling that one as a whole if the price is right, or I might part it out and sell the frame and then put these parts into the blue Axum, because I actually like both of them now. The blue one and the black one, they both look great, but I don't have the need for two of the same one. So we'll see what happens to I don't know, maybe I give one to I have no idea, one to my dad, and go from there. Now, bike check, that M Bromo. I haven't ridden that one lately. It's been over here for like 2 months. And I don't know, I did put it on the market to sell it. I don't know if it's gonna sell because I'm not gonna take any low balls. I'm just asking whatever I pay for it, minus a couple of hundred. So if you buy it from me, you'll be saving a couple of hundreds, because remember, this is like 44, 45 plus taxes. So it's almost $4,800 on it, and I think I have it for like 45. So if you're interested in this one, it has less than 100 miles on it. I don't know, it's because I'm not riding it too much. Maybe I should. I don't know, maybe I'm waiting to lose a little bit of weight, that way I don't feel too guilty. I don't know, but it is a great bike, but we'll see. I have somebody reached out for me to buy me this one. The Copeland is back. I don't know if I told you about it. The Copeland is back. It was too big for my father-in-law, so I put it for sale. It hasn't even been ridden, and I don't have a use for this one, so that one is up for sale as well. It has upgraded handlebar stem and front chain ring. It's not a one buy. I did have plans to get some a different group set on it, but I don't think I have the time. Or, well, I do have I can find the time, but I really don't want to do too many upgrades, because this right here, this is what's stopping it from being a good bike. So I'm gonna stop this video right here, because I just got a text from my wife, because she thought I came out to get some chicken out of the fridge, and instead I started talking. So that is gonna be it for this one. Again, Blue Axum is back. Things are gonna happen to that one for sure, so stay tuned. Other than that, if you haven't, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. If you want to support the channel, do it down in the description. I also want to give a huge shout out to Carlos Barraza. Man, thank you, man. You've been there since a long time ago. You keep on supporting the channel. You bought me a cup of coffee. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Carlos. That is gonna be it for this one, guys, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.